Hello, everyone. Welcome to Smart Studies, your friendly space for easy and smart learning. If you're preparing for GTET, CTET, or State TET, or any teacher training exam, then you are in the right place. In this series, we are diving deep into the most important and interesting subject, child development and pedagogy. And today we are starting with our very first topic, that is concept of development and its relationship with learning. So without wasting much time, let's get started with our today's topic, that is concept of development and its relationship with learning. So child development. What is child development? Child development refers to the biological, psychological, and emotional changes that occur in a person from birth to the end of adolescence, as the individual progresses from dependence to independence. Now, what does this mean? Child development means how a child grows and changes over time. So एक जो भुरगो आसा तो तसोच उरचो ना जसो तो जन्मताच असलो. तो as he grows, he will keep स्वताची body size will change, thinking power change जातलो, even emotional power ताजो change जातलो. So it includes learning to move, think, talk, and you know to make friends or to relate to others. So, from birth to teenage years, children gradually become more independent and they are able to take care of themselves. So that is what from dependence to independence is. म्हणजे पहिली भुरगो जो आसा पळय तो आवय बापायचेर अवलंबून आसता किंवा टिचरांचेर अवलंबून आसता, पण मागीर मागीर तो स्वताची डिसिजन स्वताची रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी स्वताच घेता. Let us understand what is growth first. So it refers to quantitative changes in the body. आता हाजो अर्थ कितें क्वांटिटेटिव्ह चेंजीस म्हणजे कितें तर भुरग्याची जर सायज वाडल्या किंवा हायट वाडल्या वेट वाडल्या हे आमी क्वांटिटी म्हणजे इट इज मेजरेबल. सो विथ मेजरिंग टूल्स वी कॅन मेजर की भुरग्याची हायट लायक कितले सेंटीमीटर तो लांब जाला और कितले किलोग्राम्स ताची वेट वाडल्या हे आमी काउंट करपाक शकता, मेजर करपाक शकता. सो ग्रोथ इज रिफर्ड टू क्वांटिटेटिव्ह चेंजेस इन दी बॉडी. It is physical and measurable. So growth is related to physical changes that happens in our growth जी असता ती limited असता and it stops after a certain age. For example, भुरगो लांब जावपाचो एका certain एजीचेर पावून तो stop जाता. Now development. What is development? It refers to qualitative as well as quantitative changes. म्हणजे कितें तर development means overall improvement in a person. So it could be in body, in mind, emotions and behavior. So overall जे changes भुरग्या भितर जाता it comes under development. आणि growth म्हणजे कितें only physical changes that happens in a child. It is a continuous process and lifelong process leading to maturity. So we know that development is a continuous process. So development कशी एक लिमिट असना की अमक्या एजीर येवन development stop जातले ना. It is a lifelong process. भुरगो कितें ना कितें शिकत असता. Development involves changes in body, mind, emotions and behavior. Development means improvement in functioning and behavior. It includes growth as of its part. So growth जे आसा पळय it is a part of development. Now let us understand difference between growth and development. So growth is quantitative changes in size and structure. So we have already done this. Growth म्हणजे कितें quantitative changes आमी measure करपाक शकता. Quantitative changes जाता. Development is what? Quantitative and qualitative changes that happens in a child. So quantitative and qualitative changes in personality and behavior comes under development. Growth is physical and measurable. So growthan फक्त physical changes which is measurable it comes under growth. म्हणजे भुरग्याची सायज वाडप, हायट वाडप, वेट वाडप it comes under growth. आणि development म्हणजे कितें it is functional and observable through behavior. म्हणजे हांगा आमी भुरग्याचे डेव्हलपमेंट म्हणजे इट इज फंक्शनल अँड इट कॅन बी सीन थ्रू बिहेवियर. भुरग्याचो बिहेवियर आमी ऑब्जर्व करून पळोवपाक शकता की ताजो डेव्हलपमेंट जाला काय ना. सो इट इज नॉट मेजरेबल बट इट इज फंक्शनल अँड ऑब्जर्वेबल. ग्रोथ स्टॉप्स आफ्टर मॅच्युरिटी. सो अप टू सर्टन एज ग्रोथ स्टॉप जाता म्हणजे भुरग्याची हायट वाडप आफ्टर सर्टन एज स्टॉप जाता. बट डेव्हलपमेंट इज अ कंटिन्युअस प्रोसेस. इट गोज थ्रू आउट लाईफ. सो वूम म्हणजे आवयच्या पोटांतल्यान तर त्याच्या मरणा मेरेन डेव्हलपमेंट जायत असता. कितें ना कितें लायक हिज स्किल्स डेव्हलप जायत असता. So growth is a part of development, but development is a wider concept, wider and comprehensive term. Growth can be measured in centimeter, kilograms, etc. Whereas development is measured through observation of behavior. So आम्ही भुरग्याचो behavior observe करून आम्ही measure करपाक शकता development. We cannot actually use measuring tools to measure his development, but growth can be measured in centimeters, kilograms, etc. सो ग्रोथान आमी कितें पळोवपाक शकता भुरग्याची हायट वाडल्या वेट वाडल्या आनी डेव्हलपमेंटान कितें जाता इमोशनल ग्रोथ लायक मॅच्युरिटी मॅच्युअर जाता भुरगो हिज रिजनिंग एबिलिटी इम्प्रूव्स. ओके दिस वॉज डिफरन्स बिटवीन ग्रोथ अँड डेव्हलपमेंट. नेक्स्ट इज स्टेजेस ऑफ ग्रोथ अँड डेव्हलपमेंट. Now, this topic is very, very important. So, please get ready with your notes because most of your questions will come from this topic itself. So let us discuss about the stages of growth and development. So there are different stages. Prenatal, first stage is prenatal, second is infancy, third one is early childhood, later childhood is the fourth one, fifth one is adolescence, and sixth one is adulthood. Let us understand each stage now. So prenatal is what? Pre-birth. So it is from conception to birth. So burgo आवयच्या पोटान असता till his birth, that stage is known as prenatal. So हांगा भुरग्याचे body parts develop जाता आवयच्या पोटानच. So baby's body parts and organs develop before he's being born. Second stage is infancy. It is from birth to 2 years. So this stage is when a baby grows very fast. He learns to crawl, he starts to walk, धाकटी बारीक बारीक पावलां मारपाक लागता, धांवपाक शिकता, or he says simple words like mama, papa. He comes under infancy. So it is from birth to 2 years. Hanga ya topican you'll have to also remember these stages along with their years. Next stage is early childhood, which is from 3 years to 5 years. Now here in this stage, child becomes very active. Hanga to clearly ulopak shikta. He learns to play with others and starts going to preschool. Then comes later childhood stage, which is from 6 years to 12 years. So this stage is also called as school age stage. So अशें questions येता की which stage is known as school age stage. So that time you all should have that knowledge that this is later childhood stage, which is from 6 years to 12 years. So हांगा भुरग्याची थिंकिंग पावर डेव्हलप जाता, इम्प्रूव जाता, he starts learning, ताजी social skills improve जाता. Next is adolescence, which is from 13 years to 19 years. So this is also called as teenage stage when children go through puberty. They grow rapidly and they start developing their identity. So hanga physical changes भुरग्या भितर भरपूर जाता during adolescence. Next is adulthood, which is 20 years and above. At this stage, a person becomes mature and takes responsibility and he may start a career or family. So adulthood भुरगो खूप मॅच्युअर जाल्लो आसता. ही स्टार्ट्स टेकिंग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, कामाक वचपाक लागता, और तो ही starts taking responsibility of family, career सांबाळटा. So this is under adulthood, which is 20 years and above. Next is areas of development. So there are different areas of development. प्रत्येक एरिया आम्ही इन डिटेल पोया. So first one is physical development. What is physical development? It is growth in body size, height, weight, and the proper working of a body organs. Next is motor development. So motor development म्हणजे कितें बेसिकली इट इज इम्प्रुवमेंट इन मसल कंट्रोल अँड बॉडी मुवमेंट. तर भुरगो चलपाक शिकता, धांवपाक शिकता, पेन्सिल धरपाक शिकता, शू लेसीस बांदपाक शिकता, म्हणजे कित्याक लागून ताचें मोटर डेव्हलपमेंट जाता. So improvement in muscle control. Next is cognitive development. Now this is related to thinking, reasoning, understanding, memory, problem solving. So भुरगो numbers शिकता, colors recognize करपाक शिकता, puzzle solve करपाक शिकता. कित्याक लागून? Because ताजे cognitive development जाता. Next is language development. तर he learns to speak, understand words and communicate clearly. तर भुरगो he starts using full sentences and he starts building vocabulary also. Next is emotional development. So this is learning to express and manage feelings properly. हांगा भुरगो ताजो एंगर कंट्रोल करपाक शिकता, or he learns to show kindness to others. This is under emotional development. What is social development? Learning to interact, cooperate, and make relationships with others. So that is playing, sharing your toys with your friends. So हांगा भुरग्याचे social development जाता. Now is moral development. So moral development is what? Learning what is right or wrong. तर भुरग्याक कळटा की फोटींग उलोवप किंवा चीट करप इज रॉंग, और कितें सारकें कितें वायट हे भुरग्याक कळपाक लागता. दॅट इज ही इज डेव्हलपिंग अ सेन्स ऑफ फेअरनेस. ते केन्ना जाता? ड्युरींग मॉरल डेव्हलपमेंट. म्हणजे हांगा भुरग्याचें मॉरल डेव्हलपमेंट जाता. नेक्स्ट इज पर्सनॅलिटी डेव्हलपमेंट. In this formation of person's unique traits, attitudes and identity. हांगा भुरगो confident जाता, kind जाता, he becomes responsible. Then vocational development, learning skills and interests related to future work or career. म्हणजे भुरगो he starts exploring different career options आणि आपल्याक खंयची स्किल आवडटा त्या स्किलान तो he starts learning that skill. Now let us quickly see relationship between development and learning. Learning depends on development. So why do we say that learning depends on development? भुरगो जोपर्यंत ताची body and mind is not fully ready for learning, he will not be able to learn. So that's why we say that learning depends on development. Second is development provides readiness for learning. So as a child grows and matures, he becomes ready to learn new skills and ideas. तर एक भुरगो he learns to talk after his speech organs are developed. That's why we say that development provides readiness for learning. Third one is learning enhances development. So learning new things, getting experiences and education helps a child to grow in all areas. So learning to read improves thinking and understanding skill. That's why we say that learning enhances development. So this both learning and development, they are interdependent. Development without learning gives limited growth. Learning without readiness can cause frustration or failure. So in short, development builds the base and learning helps it grow further. Next, we will do is factors affecting growth and development. So there are several factors that affect growth and development of a child, like heredity, environment, nutrition, health and diseases, intelligence, gender, emotions, family and social conditions, culture and traditions as well. So let us understand this one by one. Heredity. Now, what does this mean? Heredity is related to genes, traits, and abilities passed from parents to children. तर भुरग्याची हायट ताच्या पेरंट्साच्या लायक ताच्या पेरंट्साच्या हायटीचेर आदारीत आसतली. So heredity is basically related to traits and abilities passed down from parents to children. So this is one factor that affects growth and development. Second one is environment. Family, school, and surroundings shape behavior and learning. Third factor is nutrition. Now, proper food is very important. It is needed for healthy growth and brain development. So, if nutrition is not proper, growth won't be proper. Fourth one is health and diseases. Good health supports growth. Illness can slow it down. So, जी आसा ती ताजो growth development will be slow. Intelligence, next one. It helps children learn, understand, and solve problems. Next is gender. Boys and girls may grow and develop at different rates. सो बॉयजांचे आणि गर्ल्सांचे डेव्हलपमेंटाची रेट जी आसा पळय इट इज डिफरंट. नेक्स्ट इज इमोशन्स. अ हॅपी अँड सिक्युअर चायल्ड डेव्हलप्स बेटर. जो भुरगो सदांच हॅप्पी आसता ऑर ज्या भुरग्याक ही ऑलवेज फील्स सिक्युअर इन दॅट एनवायरमेंट विल डेव्हलप बेटर. Next factor is family and social conditions. So, supportive families and good relationships encourage development. सो आमी त्या क्लासानूय पळयता की ज्या भुरग्याक फॅमिली सपोर्ट आसता तेजो डेव्हलपमेंट इज मच बेटर देन दी वन whose family background is not that good. Next is culture and traditions. So, customs and values influence behavior and learning of a child. Next is educational implications. This is the last topic. So, match teaching with developmental stage. Now, what does this mean? So, teachers have to teach according to the child's age and ability. So, प्रत्येक भुरग्याची एजी प्रमाणे दॅट्स वाय वी से एज्युकेशन हॅज टू बी एज एप्रोप्रिएट. सो आनी ते टिचरीनूय लक्षांत दवरपाक जाय की भुरग्याक जेन्ना शिकयता तेन्ना ताच्या एजी प्रमाणे आनी ताच्या एबिलिटी प्रमाणे ताका शिकोवपाचें. नेक्स्ट इज प्रमोट हॉलिस्टीक डेव्हलपमेंट. सो एज NEP ऑल्सो emphasizes on holistic development, we must promote holistic development. तर भुरग्याचे फिजिकल, मेंटल, इमोशनल अँड सोशल डेव्हलपमेंटूय जावपाक जाय. थर्ड इज individualized instruction. So understand that every child learns at a different place. सो प्रत्येक भुरगो युनीक आसता, वेगळो आसता अँड सगळींच भुरगीं एकसारकीं आसना. सो इट बिकम्स आवर ड्युटी टू टीच at that child's level. Fourth one is learning through experience. भुरग्यांक आमी एक्टिविटी थ्रू प्ले वे मेथडान शिकोवपाक जाय बाय गिवींग रियल लायफ एग्जाम्पल्स. हितून भुरगीं बऱ्या कॉन्सेप्ट्स बऱ्या हितून समजता. लास्ट वन इज मॉरल अँड व्हॅल्यू एज्युकेशन. तर भुरग्यांक फक्त स्कूल सब्जेक्टूच शिकोवप न्ही तर तांकां बरे व्हॅल्यूजूय भुरग्या भितर बरे व्हॅल्यूज इनकल्केट करप टिचरीची रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आसता. I hope you all have understood today's topic clearly. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and keep growing with Smart Studies. See you all in the next video.